So hello friends, welcome to Bengology, and today we're gonna learn about numbers is Shankha part 5. So what we will learn today is 41 to 50 numbers in Bengali. So our first number is 41. So how can we say 41? 41 in Bengali. 41 means ekchallish. So you know that ek means 1 and challish means 40. So ek and 40. 1 and 40 means 41. Means ekchallish in Bengali. So how can we say 41 or ekchallish? Means how can we write? First we have to write this 4 and then this 1. So this is ekchallish. Okay. So after ekchallish means 41, we have biyallish means 42. So বয়সী বি অন্তস্থ আকার আ লয় লয় হস্যি বিয়াল্লি and then তালবস্য biyallish. Biyallish means 42. So first ekchallish means 41. Biyallish means 42. So how can we write 42? First here this is 4 and then 2, 42. Simple. So 4 and 2. This is biyallish. Biyallish. So biyallish 42. After biyallish means 42, we have 43. 43 means tetalish. 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 So 41 means ekchallish, 42 means biyallish, and 43 means tetalish. Toy ekar te, toy ekar ta, loy loy hosshi li, and then talbosho tetalish. So how can we write it? This is 4 and this is 3 means tetalish. After tetalish we have 44 means chuallish. Chuallish. 41 means ekchallish, 42 means biyallish, 43 means tetalish, and 44 means chuallish. So this is very simple. Double 4 is chuallish. 4 and 4. Chuallish. So chuallish means 44. After chuallish we have 45 means pôytallish. 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 So how can we write it as 45, 4 and then 5. This is pôytallish means 45. Okay. So pôytallish means 45. Okay. After 45 or pôytallish we have 46. 46 means chhiyallish. Chhiyallish. ছয় এ ছে and চল্লিশ. চ লয় লয় হস্যি and তালবস্য. ছেচল্লিশ means 46. this is 4 and this is 6. This is 4 and this is 6. Is 46 is 46. After 46 we have 47. 47 means satachallish. 7 means sat and then challish means 40. So satachallish means 47. This is another way to remember this thing. Okay. So satachallish means 47. Satachallish. So this is 4 and this is 7. Satachallish. After satachallish we have 48. So 48 means atchallish. At means 8 and then 40 means challish. So atchallish. So atchallish means 48. And how can we write 48 or atchallish? This is 4 and this is 8. So this is atchallish. After 48 we have 49. So after 48 we have 49. 49 means, so you know that after this will be uno. Okay, in the previous lesson you saw that this is uno and then something which is this number. Okay, is 50. Uno and 50. So 50 means ponchash. And this is 50. 50 means ponchash. So po, yo, and then cho, po, yo, cho, then a vowel sign, akar, and then talbosho. Ponchash means 50. So if 50 means ponchash, so 49 means ঊনপঞ্চাশ. So this is 4 and this is 9. 4 and 9 means ঊনপঞ্চাশ. 50 means ponchash. 49 means ঊনপঞ্চাশ. So I am revising all of these for the last time. First, 41 means ekchallish. 42 means biyallish. 43 means tetalish. 44 means chuallish. 45 means pôytallish. 46 means chhiyallish. 47 means satachallish. 48 means atchallish. 49 means ঊনপঞ্চাশ and 50 means ponchash. So note it down to your notebook, all these numbers, and revise again and again, so you will be better at pronouncing these words. Okay, so after 41 to 50, in the next video you will learn about 51 to 60 numbers in Bengali.